Whiplash is a common injury to experience after a car accident, and it can lead to lifelong problems if you ignore the symptoms. So today we wanted to bring back Dr. Phil Golinsky, owner and lead chiropractor at RxWellness Spine Health, to help us understand. And let's just kind of start with what happens in a car accident that causes whiplash.
So when a person's driving and a concussion of force happens,
Okay.
you're having a 3,000-pound vehicle and it transfers its force from an area of larger mass to an area of smaller mass. That's a law of physics. Happens all the time.
Yeah.
So when that larger mass of a 3,000-pound vehicle hits the car, it transfers its force into a smaller object, which is our bodies. Our bodies, of course, 150 pounds or 300 pounds. Either way, it's a lot smaller than 3,000 pounds. Now, here's the thing. When this transference of force happens, 3 accidents are taking place at once. The first thing is the concussion of force. It goes into the car. That transfers the force into our body. So our bodies are now forced forward into the seatbelt. That seatbelt grabs hold, and of course our bodies are hitting the seatbelt.
Yeah.
Then the organs inside hit the thorax of our bodies. So you're having all of these things happening at once, and boom, you've got a major concussion of force, and that's the whiplash effect.
Oh, so then what are the signs? I mean, I'm sure like some maybe neck pain, but what are exactly the signs of whiplash?
So the easiest signs to detect is when you're having soreness. And it's not going to be the first moment that you have the accident. You have adrenaline running through your body. You're not going to feel any pain then.
Okay.
It's the next day or the day after that. Okay, you're going to have soreness in your neck. You're going to have soreness in the back of your neck. You're going to have soreness throughout your head. You're going to have headaches. You're going to have fatigue. You're going to have an ability to not remember things. You're going to forget things because your body's in shock state and it's in healing mode and survival mode. So there's these things that you're not going to feel right about, whether it be sleeping a lot. These are signs of whiplash, or TBI, traumatic brain injury. Could be a minor concussion you're not aware of either.
And see, that's the thing, because I think a lot of people, might feel a little headache or something and just kind of say, oh, it'll heal on its own. But that's probably a really bad thing.
Well, in the very beginning, no. We all know we're going to heal.
Yeah.
The problem is this. If we heal wrong, we're going to have a problem. Okay? So the spine, here's a little model of a spine.
Okay.
And if your spine has some sort of an injury, so we know a tire worth 50,000 miles should last 50,000 miles.
Yeah.
If the car is out of its alignment, that 50,000-mile tire goes down to 30,000 miles. Now, what about these discs over here? These discs are supposed to last a lifetime. If the spine's out of alignment, then these discs will wear quicker. The bones are become more arthritic quicker. And that's an issue. So it's not a question, are we going to heal? It's a question, are we going to heal properly? And if it's healed properly, then we're good. If we heal wrong, we're not good 20 or 30 years later.
And see, that's where RxWellness Spine and Health comes in. So tell us what sets your practice apart from others.
The general chiropractor, we are phenomenal. All of us are phenomenal in taking care of neck pain, back pain, without drugs and without surgeries. The entire profession prides ourselves in that. What separates ourselves is that all of our doctors have advanced degrees in soft tissue injury. We've taken extracurricular classes beyond what normal chiropractic colleges provide us with. So we have the extra degree on soft tissue injuries, but in addition, all of our offices have digital x-rays. Digital x-rays immediately can show you the structure and the function of the spine. If the structure's off, we can immediately show the person that's in front of us, hey, this is what needs to take place because this is what your spine looks like compared to what normal is. In addition, we also have ultrasound machines because we've talked about soft tissue injuries, which is a whiplash. X-rays don't show soft tissue injuries. Our ultrasound machines, they do. So in addition to the X-ray, we also have ultrasound machines that can show the soft tissue injury. So we can provide the patient with better diagnoses, better care. We really care about our patients.
And you can definitely tell, you just feel it, that you want to take care of your patients and you really want them to, be strong and, be as healthy and well as possible. A lot of people have questions about insurance. Do you guys work with insurance?
The easiest answer is yes. And I will say this. Some people think that if it's not their fault, then insurance isn't going to cover. Give us a call because we'll walk you right through it. We'll walk you through it to see if you do have insurance, and most likely you probably do have some coverage.
Good to know. Thank you so much. And don't wait till it's too late. Pass this information along to anybody that you know. Thank you, Dr. Phil Golinsky.
Thank you.
RxWellness Spine and Health. We'll have more of Good Morning Washington after the break.